You can put $1,000,000 in your pocket and do it relatively passively over time. It's even conservative. Let me show you how. And this is $1,000,000 liquid and tax-free. It's not inaccessible, locked up in a property somewhere. That's why I say it's $1,000,000 in your pocket. And I would know, I have done it myself for more than a decade. Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold, Get Rich Education founder, Forbes Real Estate Council member, best-selling author, longtime real estate investor, and see my work in the USA Today. This straightforward plan to put $1,000,000 liquid dollars in your pocket tax-free is called Refinance for Life, or Refi for Life for short. Let's put some real numbers to it. There's no better way to do it. Over the next few years, say that you accumulate and make $200,000 worth of down payments on $1,000,000 worth of rental properties. That's what it takes, 20% down payments. Your initial loan balance is $800K, which your tenants take care of for you, but we'll say that your property's monthly cash flow is just zero on purpose for math clarity. And what this means is that while you're holding the property, your rent income equals your property's monthly expenses exactly. All right, well, your properties appreciate at 6% per year. That's a little lower than the average since 2011, by the way. After 10 years, your $1,000,000 worth of property growing at 6% annually is worth about $1.8 million. Now you refinance at a 75% loan-to-value ratio. Your new loan amount is $1.35 million. Your new loan pays off your original $800K loan, and there you go. This leaves you with roughly $550K of cash out refinance proceeds, and congratulations, you just got a windfall. Yes, your $550K is also tax-free money to you. It is liquid cash. You can do whatever you want with these funds. Park it in T-bills, pay your child's tuition, donate ridiculously, buy a boat, hire a mariachi band, whatever. Get the Lego set that you really wanted as a kid, anything. Yes, you can endlessly borrow accumulated equity out of your property, enjoying a tax-free windfall every few years. That's right, a cash-out refinance of your property. That is something that the IRS classifies as debt, not income, and that condition exempts it from taxes. What you've done now is that you've pulled out more than 2.5 times your original $200K investment while you still retain the property. You haven't sold it. We're not done. It gets better. You keep holding appreciating assets, tenants keep paying down the loan over time, and inflation keeps working in your favor. And this is similar to the tax logic of how billionaires borrow tax-free against their shares of their stocks. But you don't have to be a billionaire to do this in real estate. All right, now fast forward just 5 years from the 10-year mark to the 15-year mark. At 6% appreciation, your original $1,000,000 portfolio is now worth about $2.4 million. Again, at 75% loan-to-value ratio, this property value supports total debt of $1.8 million. The existing loan balance from your last refinance is still $1.35 million. The new loan pays it off. This allows you to extract an additional roughly $450,000 of tax-free cash. So let's add it up. This means that at the 10-year mark, you got $550K, plus at the 15-year mark, 5 years more, you got another $450K. And across the two refinances combined, you've now pulled out a cool $1,000,000 in tax-free cash. Yes, that's $1,000,000 of liquid, usable capital from an original $200K investment without selling any property. Yes, you still own the $2.4 million portfolio, and you've got the $1,000,000 liquid in your pocket, and you have not triggered a capital gains tax obligation at all. So at this stage, you can just live off your $1,000,000 or reinvest in new assets or selectively pay down debt to increase your cash flow, or you can just keep holding and let inflation shrink the real loan value. Or you could refi again at year 20 and year 25 and so on. Or hey, maybe even take a look at that wildly overpriced Lego set again, whatever you want to do. But when you eventually pass away, your heirs receive a benefit too. They get what's called a step up in basis, largely eliminating their taxes, wiping out their capital gains tax and depreciation recapture obligation. No income tax, no capital gains tax, and no IRS side-eye. This is Refi for Life in plain English. And if you're following along with a calculator, you'll see that I rounded and kept the example simple for learning purposes. Now let's too look at some negative and positive elements of Refi for Life, which is critical to understanding this. And hey, if you're finding this breakdown useful, hit like. It helps more than you think. And thanks in advance for the thumbs up. Let's look at some caveats, some things to consider before you do more research or you get started with this. And then also what some positives are, why Refi for Life is actually better than what I just described. The caveats are that, well, first, your cash flow often dips at refinancing because you have to make a new payment on the new debt that you took out. Now, with inflation, ongoing rent increases do offset this. Secondly, this assumes that refinancing is available and terms are what I'd call market normal, and they usually are. They weren't during the 2008 global financial crisis. Thirdly, if you have heirs, they should be educated on real estate and taxes. They should know a little something about that, and you don't want them fighting over your property after you pass away. Also, you want to keep a decent credit score in most lending conditions so that you can do these cash out refinances and get better mortgage interest rates. All right, and then the positive elements of Refi for Life. This is like how it's even better than what I just described in my simple math example, is that your tenant is paying down your loan balances the entire time. We didn't even count that in order to keep the example simple, so your windfalls are actually even larger. You're going to have more than $1 million. And that's why reality can improve the outcome that I just described. Also, you have zero property sale transaction risk or friction or expenses because you're not selling property, you're incrementally selling equity to a bank is essentially what you're doing, and that's how you're cashing out. And also, gosh, if you didn't already have enough tax advantage with these tax-free windfalls, the interest that your tenants largely pay for you on these mortgages is often tax deductible to you. Also, it does not take any degree or certification or other credential to do this. You're essentially qualified to do this now. And now, one of my property expenses, the way I do this is I use the rents to pay for a dedicated professional manager, property manager, and that way I can make this almost completely passive. I just get the monthly statement from the manager. Another positive caveat here is that over the years, you might accumulate more than $200K to invest in income property with. I mean, if you've got, say, $600K that you build up, well then all the numbers that I mentioned just got 3x'd. And to be clear, as you're borrowing prudently along the way, you've probably used a home equity line of credit, or a home equity loan, or a second mortgage. Those are the vehicles that you're employing. But sheesh, this is almost incredible what you can do with real estate. And this is not some abstract pie-in-the-sky theory. This is a proven sustainable model with residential real estate. And frankly, instead, most people play small, and oftentimes they do it with something that might not even be proven. With today's lower home ownership affordability, more people are going to need to be your future renters. The demand is there. And this is all why the mantra financially free beats debt free has been one of the core principles here at GRE since day one in 2014. Well, what properties though, like actual real addresses, would be conducive to Refi for Life? Well, here we have access to exactly the right available addresses where the rent income offsets the expenses and the properties pay for themselves with our truly free coaching at greinvestmentcoach.com. How do you step-by-step buy investment property? That's here, and learn about the big wave of new American renters coming right here.